I'm here to motivate you to look good, feel good, and do good every single day. I believe that getting ready, getting dressed, looking your best is actual medicine for the soul. I do it every single day. It makes me feel good, makes me happy. I'm gonna do my easy everyday makeup. I'm gonna use my light brown, just keep it super simple. I'm gonna start with Honor MD Tropical Mist, and I'm gonna use my Genetically Blessed, which is my hyaluronic acid. I'm almost completely out. Then I use my vitamin C serum by Womaness. I'm gonna use Monika Blunder Undercover. I'm also almost out of this. I'm all about using your stuff, and I'm very much about using the same things if it works. I'm highly allergic, guys, to fragrance and to parabens and to mica and to a lot of stuff. So I have to keep my makeup super simple. What works, works, and I don't mess around with it because I can have a major allergic reaction. I'm gonna start with Monika Blunder 4.25. Kind of that first layer. I'm gonna do my Fancy Face in light medium. It really blends to every skin tone, you guys. It is really just a great product. It's very lightweight. It just kind of like gives you that glow. You don't feel like you have like all this cakey makeup on. I really love the Fancy Face BB cream. Now do contour. I'm gonna use the Fancy Face contour stick. I'm gonna go across the sides to the top of the cheekbone, a little bit under here just for contouring. And this will also be like my first bronzer that I'm using. So I kind of like blend. Now I'm gonna use Fancy Face, their translucent powder, just to kind of calm all the shine. We'll add that glow at the end. I'm gonna do my light pink with a little bit of brown, like just like a simple, easy eye. My favorite colors are really just browns, pinks, but I'm gonna start with the Fancy Face, their new palette. I have both their palettes, so I'm gonna kind of mix their two palettes and do this kind of light pink. I'm gonna use a little bit of the darker pink on just the eyelid and the crease to kind of create that little bit of a smoky eye. I'm gonna take their darker powder. Okay, so I'm gonna go underneath and just use that darker mauve pink as the eyeshadow. And that's what's good about these palettes. You can kind of use them for the entire eye. I like getting that little bit of cat eye right here, like that little bit of a V to create that illusion. Now I'm gonna go on this side, underneath. Smoky cat eye. I love dramatic eyes, even though it's just daytime and simple, but that's, to me, this is like my favorite eye. We're gonna quickly do eyebrows. I use the Kosas. I love it. It just lifts. I'm gonna use Charlotte Tilbury. I'm gonna go on the bottom lashes first. Use Fancy Face in Almost Famous. On the cheeks, just the apples of the cheeks, just to give you that kind of like sun-kissed, alive look. Okay, there we go. Just on the apples. Pat, 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 go over the nose. So it does give you that illusion of the sun. Then I take the Do You by Fancy Face, which is their highlighter. And I literally just take a little bit and go on the nose and on the tops of the cheeks. Give that little bit of highlight. I'm gonna go over it all with the Fancy Face bronzer. Okay, you kind of pop those cheeks, get the neck, the ears, so it's nice and even. Lips, I'm gonna use Monika Blunder Lip Tint in Fruling, the best nude. That is it, you guys. Makeup is done. Like that simple, that quick. Not too many steps. but my phase is done. This is how I feel like my best self. This is how I want to present myself to the world because this is what feels good to me. So I hope this helps. I hope you subscribe. I'm on Instagram, Shop with Caroline, or TikTok, Being Caroline. I so appreciate all your love and support, and I never want you to forget about you and how important you feeling good in your own skin is. So love you all. Get up, get dressed. Let's do this. Mwah.